Hey everybody, welcome back to the garage. Today we're out here working a little bit on the bullnose. As you guys recall, we have a little bit of rust here on the fender. We got a little bit of rust back here underneath the cab. So we're gonna start sanding that down, see what we got to work with, and see what kind of patches we might need to make. So I'll just let you guys watch a little footage of that and we'll get going on it. Bring you in and let you see a little bit better kind of what we're dealing with there. I think we caught it just in time. Fortunately, no holes. We just gotta sand that down really good, smooth it out with a little bit of filler, and then we'll hit the paint, touch it up. We got lucky on that one, I think. Now we're gonna go look at that one, and that one, not so much. On that one, I think we've got a little bit of patchwork there to do. All right, now you can see up close kind of what we're dealing with there. This one's obviously much worse, but we'll get it fixed up. We've got just a couple small areas on this side, passenger side, we're gonna deal with. Maybe like right here, just some little, I wanna sand it down, then we'll touch it up. Make sure we get rid of that rust. You can kind of see what we were dealing with there. It's actually a little worse than I could tell initially until you sand it down. That's it for right now. The sanding part of it. This has been body work before. All right, now we're gonna mix up some of this filler and get it put on here. We've got this kind of cleaned up. So we're gonna make a little bit of a mess. This filler reacts really fast, so you have a limited window of time to get it to work and have it applied. So. Now we'll repeat the same process here. We're not going to need very much. This is pretty smooth already. We'll go repeat that to the other side. And then after this stuff dries, we'll start sanding it down and just kind of fine tuning it. We'll hit it with some touch-up or some primer and some touch-up paint. And then we'll be ready to start clear coating this thing. Well, we're back. We're getting started on just kind of getting the rough edges off this stuff, and then we'll fine tune it. I'm using some pretty aggressive sandpaper to get started with. Be very careful if you do that. You can definitely overdo it and scratch into the other part of the paint, but I'm just getting the burrs off from laying down that Bondo. All right, everybody, quick update. So we went ahead, did the body filler, sanded it down, got it nice and smooth, then did the touch-up paint on the wheel wells and that bottom part of the rust. And then we started on this tailgate, and that's just the white primer. It's not even close to matching in the color, so we're just putting that as the undercoat before we put the paint down, and hopefully the paint will match up pretty good. I think it will. We did a little experiment on that corner right there, and I'll take you in and let you guys check this out. You can kind of see that had a bunch of scratches in it, so the paint matched up pretty darn good. So I'm hopeful that this tailgate will pan out. We got to just line up the stripes there, and then we're going to paint that center part of the tailgate, get that done. So it's coming along. Stick with us. Here's a quick peek at that touch-up paint so far. You can see the blue color on the fender, and down there on the rocker panel looks pretty good so far. Doesn't look too bad. So she's a 20-footer, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, she ain't perfect, but it'll be good enough. And then that fender right there, and then of course underneath there too, where that was probably the worst part of it, but turned out pretty decent. Paint matched up good, so keep moving. Well, now we got the right color of white paint on there. You can see the primer underneath that. It's really bright white, but now it's the correct color. You can see up there on the cap, so it finally matches. After this is nice and dry, we'll do the dark blue stripe across the top. I think there's a little bit that needs to go on the bottom. We'll see how it looks. So it's coming along. I'm also going through and touching up all the little marks like those by hand. They're not great, but we'll let those dry, and then I can really lightly wet sand them. But yeah, we're gonna go through and touch all these little blemishes up. See how that cleans up. Well, gotten a lot of this done today. You can see it's pretty windy out here. It's not perfect, but that's all right. This truck's not perfect either. We'll get this stuff peeled off after it gets dried and let you guys see the finished deal. Then we'll clear coat it a little bit later. When we clear coat this whole truck, it should kind of tie it all together. But I'm pretty pleased with it. It's definitely worth the money to have these guys mix up the factory paint, and it'll give you a really good match. So we'll be back in a minute. Well, other than a couple minor touch-ups, I think it turned out pretty good. Tune in next time, see what our next step is. We got to do some clear coat. We'll probably have to do a little bit more wet sanding. I'm going to touch up some of this paint, and we're going to paint the wheels, and we'll be about done with this truck. So we'll see you guys on the next one.